we're using Intensive Shine Semi-Permanent by Ion Color Brilliance. Of course, the Brights collection. It has no peroxide, luminous shine, all that good stuff. So again, like I said, Radiant Orchid, Intensive Shine, Semi-Permanent Brights collection by Color Brilliance, Ion Color Brilliance. So I hope it comes out as pretty as it's supposed to. The color that it's supposed to come out is very similar to the colors on the box. The blue, I mean, not the blue, the purple and the pink. It's supposed to have like a pink, like a magenta highlight with the purple all over color. So we will see what happens. I'm back. I had to put a sweatshirt on because I was fucking cold. Irrelevant, really, in the grand scheme of things. My forehead is purple a little bit. Oh, it looked bad or worse from far away, but I guess that's just a shadow. Anyways, we about to take this off together. I like to do reveals with you together, so I feel like we have some togetherness. So here goes, okay? Oh my god, guys. I think it's gonna stay this time. I think it's gonna be like this color, actually. Okay, so like in my last video, I had ramen noodle color hair, and when I rinsed it out, it was just like a tad bit darker than ramen noodles. So I hope when I rinse this out, it could be a tad lighter, a tad but darker. I don't care. It's two-tone because I did ombre. And there's like a few highlights and whatever else in there. But yeah, I'm loving it. We're doing hair cam. So this is it after I left it in for the appropriate amount of time. And now I'm just going to go ahead and see how I have black roots. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I hope it stays like this when I go to wash it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, okay. Alright, I'm gonna rinse this out and I'll be back when I'm done rinsing it out to show you. Alright, bye. It worked, by the way. There's a little bit of coconut oil in here and a little bit of another oil on my face. So, bitch, I'm so excited. Yeah, but for real, I'm really excited. Zoom in on these luscious, natural locks. You guys don't understand how long I've wanted my hair like this. It's the exact fucking color and everything. In all the lights, you can still see it's purple. In some lights, it's like a darker purple. It has the highlights of the pink-ish and like the purpley. You guys, I'm so excited. Luxurious. Like beyond excited. I'm about to pop it into a bun and run to the store real quick. But when I style it and stuff at another time, I'll come back. Or if you watch one of my next videos, I'm sure I'll have hair on my head and it'll be styled then. So yeah, this is the final result. I'm very ecstatically happy. Like I said, I put a little bit of coconut oil on it for now. But yeah, if you see it's lighter in some spots and darker in others, I did it like that on purpose. It's like the ombre effect. And yeah, I'm thrilled, actually. So thank you for watching. And I'm finally glad I got the results I wanted with the exact color and everything. So yes, queens, do your natural hair. Do it, and do it well, and color it if you want to. Colored curls for colored girls. Did I just do something there? I'm not sure. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching. Purple girl out. You know what's really funny, actually? This guy at the store I always go to, he calls me Miss Purple. That's me.
So I only feel like right, not even because of him, but like I feel like my most right slash true self when I have purple hair. It just fits me and my personality and my whole wardrobe. And it's like a signature now. So back to purple, but this time with my natural hair. And again, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another video next time. Maybe I'll show you a style or some styles, or maybe it'll just be styled and I'll do another random video. All right? Thank you. Bye.